Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Friends, once again I present with the latest update of the Vechain. So my friends, what's going on this time in the Vechain? In this video I'm talking about the urgent update of Vechain. So keep watch this video till the end, and if you're new on my channel, so please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, if we look the latest price update of the Vechain, so the latest price of the Vechain is this time in the market as 0.11 USD dollar. That is the latest update of the Vechain. And on the other side, if you look the price changes occurring in the Vechain, so 0.000032 USD dollar is the latest update of the Vechain, and this time in the market, my friends. And on the other side, if you look the market keep 24 hours volume, available supply and total supply, so I think relatively fast down, my friends. You can see here, if you look the price changes occur in a Vechain, so you can see here that the last 24 hours price change is negative. Oh my goodness, so this means that the price of Vechain is fast down in the last 24 hours, my friends. And the last 1 hour pricing is also negative, so that means that currently they are in the falling mode. So we have to pray for it that please take a jump, my friends. Let's see the price chart, what's going on this time in the Vechain, my friends. Now you can see here, my friends, that is the last 1 month price chart. And the previous month the price of the Vechain is going down. You can see here, my friends, continuously the price of Vechain is fast down, but after 23 May they start moving upward. Now I hope that they will take a jump. That is the temporary falls. After some period of time they will again start jumping. Don't worry about that. That is a temporary falls. After some hard time, after a few hours, after 1 day, they will again take a jump, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends.